There's more reasons to buy gold than there's hair on my head. It's durable, tangible, it's a hard asset that can be stored as a hedge and possibly offset losses due to inflation, currency debasement, or bearish times afflicting the stock market, for example. But in general, there are two main reasons you should invest in gold, and they're connected in a lot of different ways. Gold's historical performance and its potential demand. Let's talk about gold's potential demand. Gold is already used in one of the most important industries nowadays, and that's electronics. That includes computers, phones, data servers, and others. COVID-19 forcefully redesigned the way that we find and we live and we work. We don't just need more computers, phones, and servers. We need to make them more powerful and indestructible. And gold makes that possible. Gold is also being used to cure cancer, produce oxygen in Mars, in dentistry, medical devices, cars, and others. Demand for gold will continue to rise, but supply won't. Our supply of gold is limited, and there's no technology on Earth that can produce gold in a lab, unlike diamonds and some of the other things they can make. If you remember your economics 101, limited supply and high demand equals astronomical prices. And let's talk about gold's historical performance. If we look at gold, how it's stacked up over the last 50 years versus other asset classes such as equity and bonds, it's an indisputable fact that it has increased in value. In fact, since President Nixon removed the gold standard in 1971, gold per ounce has shot up 4,900%, compared with the 3,500% for the S&P 500. Gold is by no means the end-all be-all, because there have been lows. In the late 70s, it really didn't start to move until inflation started kicking in the early 80s. Through the 90s, all the way till 2000, stocks and bonds appreciated much more than gold, and gold was very flat. It didn't move for many years. But right now, even a small downturn in gold can be a positive sign. Since historically it's had periods where stocks and bonds have done well, it's a good time to look at some of those valleys and when it pulls down a little bit as an opportunity to buy back in. And gold's limited supply keeps its value up as it remains solid as the world's ultimate safe haven investment for all asset classes. Are you just getting into metals and you want to learn more? Check out our gold and silver investment guide. It has all the information you need, all the questions answered, and a really good read for someone just starting out. If you want to learn about investing in gold and silver, click the link below.